Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add PayPal payment gateway on your WordPress website. So first of all, you need to have plugin. So you go ahead to the plugins and add a new plugin. Now you want to search here for, let's write on PayPal. And you will find a lot of options here, which you can actually choose to use. As you can see, this is the WooCommerce PayPal payments. PayPal payment plugins for PayPal WooCommerce. But as you can see, the most active installations, it has this one. Now, again, there are some other options, or you can just install WooCommerce or Payment Gateway. There's also some PayPal donations payment button right here. You can actually install it. But for now, we need to install WooCommerce first. And after you have WooCommerce, just install this WooCommerce for PayPal payments too. Now go ahead to WooCommerce and click on Settings. And here click on Payments. And now you can see that there is PayPal option here. You want to finish the setup here by clicking this button. Now, as you can see, you can activate PayPal like so. You can test payments with PayPal Sandbox or toggle to manual credential input. So you want to click on this one, manual. And here, as you can see, you can enter the email address, merchant ID, live client ID, and live secret key. So for this information, you will need to go to PayPal and set up everything and find those license keys and so on. Now, when you are on PayPal, you want to go ahead and click on your account settings on your account basically, and click on account settings here. Now, when you are here, you want to click on business information, and here you will see your PayPal merchant ID and you want to copy it. Now you go back to your WooCommerce and enter your merchant ID right here, like so. Now you also need a live client ID, and you will find it on your developer option. So just click developer right here. Now I'm on apps and credentials option here. And now you want to create an app here. So you want to click right there. And you can also do either a sandbox or a live version. So let's choose live, for example, and now click create app. The sandbox option is just for testing, so you can try it out, but I'm just gonna do a live one. And now create app name. So let's write down create app. And now you will find that API credentials are here and client ID is here, so you want to copy it. Again, go back to WooCommerce and paste the live client ID here. And now the secret key would be this one. Again, copy it, go back to WooCommerce and paste it. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how we do this. After that, you're just gonna save the changes and it will be active. But first, you will need to go to WooCommerce settings. Right here on payments, and you will want to enable the PayPal. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.